Hello everyone, my name is Tejasri Kamsutar. Today's date is 27th October 2022. Today's video topic is OOPS concepts. OOPS concepts in Java. OOPS concepts are of most fundamental programming concepts. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It supports concepts of OOPS. The main task behind the OOPS concept is object working and methods and variables that we can use without distracting. OOPS convert is very useful in the Java. Next, OOPS stands for object oriented programming. The object oriented is the combination of two words. First is object and oriented. The meaning of object is an article or entity that can real world, and the meaning of the oriented means particular kind of things or entity. OOPS is a programming pattern that around the object are called as object-oriented programming. The object-oriented programming is basically computer programming methodology that organizes software design around the data or functions and logic. Everything in the OOPS is grouped as self-sustainable objects. It is a simplified software development and maintenance by providing some concepts like abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Now next is class. Class is a concept of OOPS. Any entity that has a state or behavior is known as an object. An object can be defined as an instance of the class. Object can convert without knowing the benefits of each data per class. The only necessary thing of the type of the message accepted and the response by the object. For example, a dog object because of the that has color, name, etc. Now next is a class. Class is a collection of objects is called as class. It is a logical entity. Class can also defined as a form which we can create an individual object doesn't consume any space. It is a class is a user defined data type. Inside the class we define variables, data types, functions and functions in a single unit. For example, data binding. Class can exist without object, but vice versa is not possible. Now next is inheritance. Inheritance is allowed to use inherit and acquire the properties of entering the class. Existing class means parent class into the newly created class means child class. It is known as inheritance. Inheritance provides code reusability. Inheritance used to achieve runtime polymorphism, etc. Now next is polymorphism. Polymorphism is derived from the two words, that is poly and morphism. Poly means many and morph means morph means forms. It allows to create methods with the same name. but different method signatures. It allows to develop and create clean, sensitive, and reusable code. For example, a person plays an employee a role in office, father and husband role in home. Now next is abstraction. The abstraction concept allows to users to hide the inheritance from the user, but shares only essential information to the area. Now next is abstraction. The concept abstraction concepts using the concept developer can easily make changes and added the over time. There are some advantages of abstractions. First is abstraction reduces complexity. Abstraction avoids dependency. Abstractions uses the runtime of maintenance. Abstraction increases the security and convertibility. Now next is encapsulations. Encapsulations it is a mechanism that allows to bind the data and the functions of the class into one entity. The encapsulation protects the data and functions from the outside interference. The encapsulations also provides security. Encapsulations is a class that builds employee of examples of encapsulation is a class. Now in encapsulation, first class in curly brackets data members plus methods and curly bracket close. Now we see the some benefits of OOPS concept. OOPS concept is a modular, extensive, realistic, and maintainable. The OOPS concepts are complex, are to solve the complex problems in a simple structure. In OOPS concept, object can be used across the program. Next is in OOPS concept, code can be reusable. In OOPS concept, we can easily modify, append, modify the code without affecting the other codes basics. This is most benefits of OOPS concept. Now next is providing the security through the encapsulation and the data hiding features is most beneficial benefits. The beneficial to OOPS concepts are beneficial to collaborate development in which a large project is derived into groups. OOPS concepts are debugging in OOPS concept is easy. Now see the applications of the OOPS concept. First OOPS concept is used to computer graphics operation applications. OOPS concepts are object oriented and used for object oriented databases. The OOPS concept is used for user interface design like Windows. The OOPS concepts are real-time system used for real-time system. OOPS concept is used for simulation and modeling. The OOPS concept are server-side systems. DevOps concept is used for artificial intelligence system. DevOps concept used for CAD/CAM software. DevOps concept used for office automation system. Thank you.